Well, Kyle and I are expert snackers and also experts in flexible packaging. And since we've picked up our bag of snacks, we're going to go through and I'm going to put you on the spot, Kyle. I'm going to have you walk us through what keeps our chips fresh, keeps our candies crunchy, and keeps our cookies from crumbling. All right, and for number one, we've got Justin's peanut butter cups.
All right, what's interesting about this, Steve, is that this is a EVOH clear barrier film with a clear window on the front so you can see the product, and a matte coating on the side so it gives you some texture.
Nice. Number two, Oh Snap Pickles.
This one's got a die-cut pouch, so it's easy to hold, with a metallized polyester on the inside to protect the product. And a doyen seal on the bottom to prevent it from leaking.
All right, number three, we've got our legendary pastry.
This is a flow wrap package, so that when it's made, it's in an individual pouch with a metallized polypropylene on the inside, again, to protect the product and keep it from going stale.
Number four, Albanese gummies.
Right from my hometown, Steve. These gummies, they have a soft touch coating on the outside and a glossy finish over the appropriate branding, and it's using the metallized polyester layer to accentuate the graphics.
And last but not least, we've got our Doritos chip bag.
The Doritos, this is another metallized polypropylene barrier film, and the interesting thing about this is that when you open it up, it's got a fractioning layer in the extrusion so that it doesn't roll over everywhere when it goes open.
Kyle, thanks very much for walking us through all the different packaging types and what keeps our snacks fresh on the shelf and ready for us to eat when we get them. Thanks to AH Vending for letting us shop their bistro. That's a wrap for us. Thanks for snacking with us. If you have any questions, go ahead and visit Nosco.com. And as always, remember to like and subscribe. This is Nosco Unpacked, flexible packaging made easy. See you next time.